This hot chocolate recipe is made without condensed milk, without cornstarch, and just with 4 ingredients. In a saucepan, I'll begin by adding 250 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. Next, I'm adding 200 grams of cream. I will turn up the heat and stir until the chocolate completely melts. When we reach this point, let's now add 500 milliliters of milk. Afterwards, add 3 tablespoons of 50% chocolate powder. We will then stir over low heat. As soon as it starts to bubble, wait another 3 minutes. After that time, it should be ready. You can then remove it from the heat and serve. Guys, this hot chocolate turns out to be incredible. It's super creamy, thick, and delicious. I assure you everybody in your house will love it. Here I added a bit of cinnamon on top, but the use of cinnamon is entirely up to you. There really is nothing better than a hot chocolate in cold weather. Try making it at your home and I'm certain everyone will adore it. I hope you enjoyed it. This is yet another recipe from the poor man in the kitchen. Sending a big hug to you all. Until next time, and thanks.